Kwa ihinda ruhonge rwa marihi ma motungata ma ugima wa mwiri NHIF ni rukoretwo rukiorotwo kumana na ungumania kurio na arugamiriri a ruhonge ruru makoretwo makiuga kuri mathibitari makoretwo magikungia wara mitambo-ini ya NHIF na makarihwo mbeca gutari arwaru marigitite. Na kumana na githiururi kigie ungumania ruhonge-ini ruru rwa NHIF, kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC ni haririirie giikaro gia thiku ithatu kiria kiambiriirie umuthi mwena wa Naivasha niguo kwaraniria na bodi ya NHIF iguru rigie ciiko cia ungumania hamwe na mathina mangi. Ruhonge rwa NHIF rukiuga ni rukoretwo rwambikite mitaratara ya kuhitana na ungumania.
Fraud is happening between a hospital and a citizen who are private citizens, and therefore our public education awareness is geared towards making the Kenyan know that participating in that is just making health very expensive.
The laws have been enhanced. The board has the powers to shut down those facilities. The management is the ones that you do a lot of enforcement.
Riu ruhonge rwa EACC na ruhonge rwa NHIF ni mambiriirie guthuthuria mathibitari maria makoretwo magikungia wara na kwiguna na kigina kia muingi hatari urigiti maheanite na oho aruti a wira a NHIF aria makoretwo magiteithiriria wici uyu no meguthuthurio. Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya EACC Archbishop Eliud Wabukala akiuga mitaratara iria thirikari ikoretwo ikiarira igikurumbuia ugima wa mwiri ni undu utabatie gutharario ni mundu.
Health was one of the pillars at independence that Kenyans identified. Of course, education, health and poverty. And that makes NHIF the most important institution in this country to address that aspiration of Kenyans.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa bodi ya NHIF Lewis Guyai akiuga nima ni gukoretwo na kigina kirora na njira ya mathibitari gutuma maratathi matari mama na gwetia mbeca, no akauga kuhitukira mashini cia biometric thina uyu ni uhitanitwo naguo.
It was August of last year we concluded 100% the biometric registration. So in nowadays you don't need to even have an NHIF card. When you go to a facility, the first thing they do if you haven't registered as a member of NHIF, yet you contribute as a member of NHIF, is to take your biometrics.
Guyai niongereire kuga ati kuri na mogaruruku maingi ruhonge rwa NHIF ruratabania na oho kwandika wira directors na kwambateria mitambo yao na gutigirira ni megitire undu itangithoguo.
About 70% should be technical skills, and then 30% the supportive skills, which are the finance, HR, administration, etc. One form of corruption in NHIF is fraud, and we can be able to manage that fraud through improving our IT system.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.